What's up, yarn besties? It is I, the Crafty Crocheter. So I thought I'd take you all on a little walk today. I'm just going to take a girl for a little stroll through my neighborhood before the rain comes in, because I think around 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time it's supposed to be a really bad storm coming through here. So thought I'd take advantage of the opportunity of the nice weather out. I'd update y'all on what's been going on with me, so I apologize for the lack of videos where you hear my voice. So I think last time for my recap I was talking about the shoulder surgery that my husband went through. So it's now week 3 of the recovery, and he went back to work on Monday, so back to the office. So he was basically the first week he couldn't, actually the first 2 weeks he couldn't move his shoulder at all. It was in a sling and had to ice it non-stop, but he's doing well. So he's going to PT right now, so they're saying that he's improving, so which is awesome. So he should be done with the initial PT in the next couple weeks or so. Then it's on to strengthening for his shoulder, so he can get the strength back in his shoulder. So I'm thinking the whole process will take about a year or so. So anyway, that's the front end now. So he's doing very well. He's in good spirits. So, and then as for me, I'm still working on my 2 whips right now. I'm working on that knitted blanket project, and then I'm working on, I saw this little quilted cardinal design off on YouTube. So I thought I am working on the solid granny squares for that right now. So I got several of them done. So I'll show you what the finished product's going to look like once I have all the squares joined together and the border all created. So stay tuned for that. So I thought I would take this opportunity as well to, I thought about this for a while, and you all know how I recently got on my knitting adventure. So I thought I would take the time to thank a couple creators who inspired me to go forth on my knitting journey, my relearning of knitting. So there's 3 creators that I follow on YouTube and on Instagram as well. So the first one is Plant Knit Fitness, or Andrew Kaleri. I followed him. He was doing that Stephen West knitted shawl spoiler thing. So I followed him on there. So I thought I'd like to get back into knitting again, because I've gotten off of it for quite some time. So then I've been watching his progress videos and so forth. So I thought, hey, I can do that again. So I'd like to thank him for that. So that's number 1. And the second person I'd like to thank or name as my inspiration for getting on my knitting journey is Knitfen, and he's on Knitfen on YouTube and on Instagram as well. I also followed his journey in the whole Stephen West knitted shawl thing, the MCAL for 2025. So I thought, and I just like the way his exuberance and his bright shining personality kept me engaged in all of his videos throughout. So thank you, Stephen, for that. The third person I'd like to name as was my inspirations for getting onto my knitting adventure. He's the one who actually inspired me to chronologicalize my journey. So, and his name is the Knitting Man, or on Instagram his name is the Knitting Man Steven. So I'd like to thank him for that. So he's the one that actually inspired me to film my journey throughout and bring to you all my progress and all my knitting projects. So yeah, I'm a little out of breath here, so I'm a little, I guess I'm out of shape, but so you try holding a camera and try seeing where you're going at the same time without getting hit by cars. So I thank you all guys for that. So I like, and this channel, the reason I have this channel is because it's like a beacon for those men who are in the proverbial knitting yarn closet, who are kind of afraid to come out of the knitting closet or the crocheting closet without the fear of being ostracized for doing what they do. So, and no, there are no such thing as separates. It's like guys can do what girls do and girls can do what guys do. So there you go. I thought of this little thing this morning about going on for a walk with me, you know, just because I thought it'd be something different besides the old standard being in my house, either in my chair or my living room chair or my upstairs craft room. So, and this breeze is really nice, and I'm taking full advantage of this weather before the storm comes in, and you can feel it building up. So if Andrew or Steven, the Stevens are watching this, thank y'all very much for inspiring me to get on my knitting adventures again. So, and I hope I inspired y'all as well for your projects. And well, that's all I'm going to say for right now. So I hope everyone's day's going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles. Grab that yarn, create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, be kind to one another, spread kindness throughout, pay it forward if possible, and love yourself because you're the most important person in the world. Oh, dog's barking. Stay on top of your mental health because good mental health is very important any time of the year. So on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.